Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring you have access and the right credentials. This matters because many queries require permissions. Open SQL Server Management Studio or use SQL CMD immediately to run a quick query. Once in, run select ATET server name to get the registered name and run server property, machine name to compare the host. Make sure to note whether the instance is default or named, because named instances append an instance name after a backslash. This determines the connection string format. Once done, verify by checking both server properties and Windows services, because the registered server name and Windows service name can differ. Run select server property, instance name, and server property, machine name to cross-check values. This explains why connections fail when the instance is named. Make sure to also check SQL browser status and netstat to confirm the listening port. If you need a connection string, combine machine name, backslash, and instance name, or include the port using comma-separated notation. You finish by updating your applications with the exact server identifier. Use machine name backslash instance for named instances or machine name, port when using a custom port. Once updated, restart the SQL Server service if you changed registration and test connections from a client machine. If connection still fails, check firewall rules and whether SQL browser is running. This is the single most common blocker. Finally, verify login permissions and error logs to pinpoint authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.